Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering quick essentials: ID, your policy number, and the last four of your social security. This speeds verification. Once ready, unlock your phone, connect to Wi-Fi or reliable cellular data, and open the insurer app or dial the renewal line. Speak clearly when prompted, because automated systems route faster with exact options. If you hit a menu, press or say the number for renewals. This gets you to a live representative or the renewal form without extra transfers. Once connected, carefully verify your personal details and any dependents. Mistakes here change billing and coverage. Next, review your current plan: premiums, deductible, copays, and provider network. Make sure your doctors remain in network. If options appear, compare side by side. Ask the agent or app what changes would cost per month. Also inquire about subsidies or eligibility updates, because those can lower your premium. Make decisions now, while the agent is on the line, to avoid missing deadlines. To finish, select a payment method and confirm the first premium amount and billing cycle. Entering a card or bank info completes payment instantly. Make sure the agent reads back an enrollment confirmation number and that you receive an email or text with plan details and the effective date. Before you hang up, ask how to contest errors. If the app fails, request escalation or schedule a callback, because quick follow-up resolves most mismatches within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.